I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to update Trezor One firmware. First, ensure you have your 24-word recovery seed readily available and safely stored. This is crucial for accessing your funds if anything unexpected occurs during the update process. Next, connect your Trezor One device to your computer using the provided USB cable. Finally, open the official Trezor Suite application on your desktop or visit the Trezor Suite website in your browser to begin. Once in Trezor Suite, you will see a notification if a new firmware version is available. Click the Update button and carefully follow the on-screen instructions. Your Trezor device will display a fingerprint or hash. Verify this matches what is shown in Trezor Suite for security. It is vital to keep your device connected and powered throughout the entire process to prevent any interruptions or data corruption. After the update completes, Trezor Suite will confirm the successful installation. You can then verify the new firmware version displayed within the application settings. To ensure everything is working correctly, consider performing a small test transaction, perhaps sending a minimal amount of cryptocurrency. Always remember to keep your 24-word recovery seed in a safe, private location, as it is the only way to recover your assets. Should you encounter any issues during or after the update, first try using a different USB port or a new USB cable. Sometimes, connectivity problems can cause unexpected errors. If Trezor Suite itself seems unresponsive, a fresh reinstallation of the application can often resolve the problem. Remember to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. We hope this guide helps you keep your Trezor One secure and up to date.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.